Good morning, dear friends. We all know that we are in a difficult situation now. The coronavirus COVID 19 had created a great impact in our day to day lives. But, friends, remember that a good mental status in difficult times will help us to overcome the battle of our life in future. Today, I am here before you to share my knowledge regarding fitness and wellness through sports. We all are very familiar with the two common terms, that is health and fitness. And we are familiar with the phrases also that health is wealth and fitness is the key. Friends, health actually means it's a state of complete physical, mental, social, and spiritual well being, and it's merely the absence of any disease or deformity. Proper health and fitness do not depend our own, but it is being influenced by the environment around us, the people that we mingle, the food that we have, and each and every situations in our life that we come across. Health and fitness is the most important aspect of our life. There is nothing more important for an individual than his health. So it's well said that health is wealth, and we are able to enjoy our life if we stay healthy. We can talk to our friends, mingle with our friends, and spend our time with our relatives, have fun over the food, can have a good sound sleep. This will all happen only when we have a good state of health. The other way to remain healthy is to stay fit. One of the main way to stay fit is through sports. So the sports have a very important in our day-to-day life. Many people who take part in regular sports activity have an improved general health, and the studies have proven that those people who are very sporty in their life and they are very energetic throughout their life, and those children who are very sporty in their childhood develop into a very energetic and enthusiastic people in their adulthood, and they are free of many of the major lifestyle diseases. Friends, we all know that if we undergo regular sports activities, it will not only maintain our health and fitness, but also we are very free from many lifestyle diseases. Not only sports, but also the nutritious food that we have. Food also have a vital role in to remain us healthy, to make us healthy. Usually it's said that we should have foods, commonly we tell that veggie foods, that is food that are rich in many colors like orange, yellow, green, red. We should have the colorful fruits and vegetables we have to add in our day-to-day life. This will help us to eliminate the unsaturated fats from our body. Those children who are more active and more sporty throughout their childhood will help them to develop a better cognitive skills. And many of the diseases related to cardiovascular, muscle strength, and brain activities can be decreased through regular exercise and remaining fit. Friends, last but not the least, I just have to tell you that we all individuals have to do something or the other in our day-to-day life to remain healthy. So, don't be panic in this present situation of COVID-19. We all can overcome this pandemic condition by following the guidelines given by our World Health Organization. So, friends, follow the strict health guidelines that are being given by the World Health Organization and the Health Ministry. So, stay healthy and stay free from all diseases.